Hi everyone, my name is Nick Souza and I am the Director of Operations at the Digital Arts Experience, and very recently I participated in a game jam. Essentially, it is a period of time where you have to come up with an idea for a game that is related to a theme. In this case, we had 48 hours. Now, if you're wondering why you would ever put yourself through such a torture in a short period of time, it's really to get experience very quickly. Essentially, the theme of the game jam was linked together, and that kind of led us to the linkage of the alien and the ship and the relationship with the pilot. It's not perfect, but for 48 hours and for a group of folks who've never worked together before, we did a really awesome job. Your job is to keep stuff from hitting Earth. I have an alien buddy who's helping power my ship. The problem is that he is going to get hungry. You can see this meter is going down. That's his hunger. If it reaches 0, he's going to go berserk and head to the nearest source of food, which can make this a little bit trickier. We were a team of 5 people. I was the game designer. I was the lead designer and quality assurance. My job was to look at all the elements by themselves, coordinate with those people or the departments, and make sure that they all worked together and that it created this fun experience for the player. These were all the different ideas we had for the game. We actually wanted to include defeating enemies and getting power-ups, upgrading your ship, going through stages, but we knew right away that we would have to focus on the essential stuff. So despite the fact that we had all these different ideas, we're really just focused on the first 2 to make sure we could actually get the game done in time. I had a very positive experience. I was very lucky to find the people that I worked with, and I would definitely team up with them again. If you have any questions about how the game was made, or if you have any questions about design stuff in general, feel free to reach out to us on our social media stuff. I can also be reached at nick@thedae.com. So I hope you enjoyed taking a look at Space Junkies. This was a lot of fun to make, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks very much. Bye.